Okay, time to put together another Infernus Marine. So we need number 2 and number 3. Number 2 being a head. There we go, head over there. See, it's better when they've got a big solid build like this. They're so much easier to put together than less parts to fiddle around with. Check where else. I feel like there's more mold points than that. I'm just missing them. Where are they? Okay. Now, number 1, which is a back part. We also need number 4 and 5. And then number 6 for the back. And then get these all tidied up, and these should easily go together. It's going to be a quick video, this, hopefully. It's amazing. Sometimes they take absolutely forever to put together some of these, and then other times it's like they go together so quickly. Okay. Oh, I love it when a build goes nice and easy and there's no problems. There we go. Oh, I've completely put him badly then. There we go. So that's our second Infernus Marine done. Quite cool. Right, so I'll just leave it there. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.